Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Welcome back to this channel. This is the same picture that I start off with in every video, I guess, for the last couple of weeks. And yeah, there is something interesting unfolding in this chart right now, which I'll show you right away, because yeah, you can see basically here that we broke out of this pattern right now. Yeah, we still got 5 days left in this week. And yeah, it is very interesting to see what will happen right here. What I really would want to see is this bullish divergence playing out, which still is in fact the case right now, or it's still building up. And but what we also need to see in order for this to be very successful is yeah, some more volume. Of course, we have still almost 6 days, so this week is only one day old and a couple of hours, so there will be some volume coming in, of course, but yeah, in order for this breakout to be very interesting and very good to see is we will need to see some more volume, right? So that's yeah, very interesting, a nice change of scenery, I guess, because we've been in this pattern for almost a year. Yeah, almost a year now since the all-time high from November 8th. In the week of November 8th, it was November 12th. Yeah, we've basically been yeah, in this pattern for a long time right now, and yeah, it's interesting to see that we've yeah, come to a point where we can see something different unfolding right now. I'll show you a different chart right here, which I set up on the daily, of course, which this is also a pattern that that we've shown for a while now, especially in a Discord server. And as you can see right here is that this is 132 days. You can effectively put this one right there, but that doesn't matter much. But this is a 138 days old pattern then, I guess. Yeah, correct. And we've now broken out of this wedge right here, and let me zoom in here as well, because yeah, basically we broke out of this line. This red line is also the line of the of it's the same as this line, but it is in the red in a different chart right now. So the red line is the same as this one. So what we can see right here is on the daily pattern, we haven't seen a really clear retest yet, but it went down already, but it gets supported by the ribbon, which is very interesting on a daily, because yeah, if the ribbon can support us, then it would be very nice. Here you can see we had a breakout, but which also was a fake out, because yeah, I like to call this, it's not an official term, but I call it up the stairs and down the elevator, because yeah, we've seen a lot of that momentum coming here, up the stairs, down with the elevator, up the stairs, down with the elevator, and we've seen that a couple of times. So we have to be wary about the fact that this also still could be a possibility, right? So up the stairs very slowly, boom, down the elevator again. But these are all especially interesting things that we'd like to see. So when will I get euphoric? Well, first I would like us to see us breaking this level right here. I'll set up a line. And secondly, I would like us to break this level. So let me explain why. Especially on the 4 hourly, on the daily also, and the 1 hourly, is that we can see right here is we've had a high, we've had a lower high, we've had a lower high, and right now we're at a lower high. which is in a downtrend, right? So that's not a good thing, but that's the way this pattern is also going. But in order, if you want to play it safe, then you would want to see that we create, with a retest right here, that we create a higher high, retest this line as support, and then we can look upwards, and then I'll be very excited to see what happens. If we, even if we break, if you want to be a little more conservative, you can also wait for this high to be broken and then retest, and then we can go up. But this is very interesting. What you can see right here is that the technical target for the breakout of this triangle right here is the 31.9. So this is a very interesting trade, which would suggest a nice upward momentum of 64% right now. So if you put in $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you will eventually end up with 1600 and $493, $1,694, $49.30. Wow, that was difficult calculation, but no, whatever. So very interesting to see this. Let me show you right here in the 4 hourly. This is the same chart. This is we could also see this line as is this a horizontal line? Yeah, you can see right here. Yeah, maybe I will put in a box. Where can I find the box? Rectangle right here. So basically it's like this. And just a little higher right here and right here. And I can pull this also right here. So this basically was keeping us up, then it broke down. It was holding us back right here. And here it acts as support. So this is also interesting. So the interesting level for us to break right now is the 20.4. I'm waiting for that because that's a very interesting level. And I don't want to be overly euphoric right now, but it is a nice change of scenery, right? So we've been seeing this level right here been broken on the daily, which is from the all-time high. So it's almost a year old resistance, and we've retested it as well, right? As you can see right here. Let me get the brush again. As you can see right here, retested it again, which is very positive. It was a year-old downtrend. We retested and it got bought up immediately, and right now we're looking for slowly moving up the stairs, right? But it is very interesting, and if you want to play it safe, you can also wait for the 20.34K, right? This line right here, because there is always a possibility that we go up right here and get rejected, and then form a lower high again, or maybe even not climb up till this level, but stop here right now, and then that's when we have another lower low, which is obviously not that good. But the technical analysis on these patterns, this one and this one as well, this is on the weekly, so if you want to have patience, you can wait on that. But it is very interesting to see that it's looking to have some positive momentum right now. Combine this with the bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, which is making me very happy for now. Next resistance or target, there are a lot of them, but the 30.2K is the main reason, which level that supported us in the bull market. And if we can break that again, then yeah, that would be great, of course. So very interesting to see. Let's look at the DXY. Yeah, that's not a big thing. If the Bitcoin is going up, then the DXY is going down, but it is still very high. The dollar is, yeah, literally the only currency that's keeping up with the pace right now. Every other currency, especially second and third world currencies, are dropping hard. But you can also see it in the euro, which I live in, and you can see that dropping as well. So let's have another look at Ethereum, because Ethereum has quite the same pattern as Bitcoin has, right? So we can draw a line here, call that a fake out maybe. You can see this resistance. So we've been yeah, basically like Bitcoin, going up and down in this level. And yeah, we haven't broken that line yet, so yeah, we'll just have to wait even more with Ethereum. I'm not trading Ethereum at this time right now, but yeah, Ethereum is cheap right now, and it was even cheaper, of course. But yeah, you can see it is very interesting. It's very interesting because this is in the apex as well right now. So as you can see, so if Bitcoin can jump for let's see, to above the 20.34k, then Ethereum will very likely follow. So that's very interesting. So well, that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think. Are you euphoric right now? Are you buying like I am? Because I think I don't know. I have a feeling. This change of scenery is something that we've been waiting for a long time, and this could very possibly be the 17.5. Maybe was the absolute bottom for Bitcoin, and I got a piece of that, a little small piece of that. Right here in my bags, and yeah, this is a very nice accumulation range, right? So we've been basically let me do that with a horizontal array. We've basically been ranging up and down this right here, right? So it is very possible that we can continue this up and downwards momentum. But yeah, these lines, this red line and this line, is very interesting, and it got broken, and it hasn't retested yet, or at least this line not. This line, red line, did. And yeah, so I am very looking forward to see what the near future or the immediate short term has to offer for us. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please leave a like for the algorithm of YouTube. And yeah, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to hook me up or send me a message, and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks so much. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.